Hey, Sean wants to know if he can try the electric door handles on the Rezvani and shock himself.
Serious?
I want to see how strong it is.
Hold on, let me get a broom to knock them off if I need to. He's ready.
Dude, we got 3 Teslas in here. 1, 2, 3 over there.
Look at this thing. Look at that quarter window.
Oh, it's like a sunshade thing.
That's cool. Yeah.
I've never seen one for the small one before.
It's actually nice. Like it.
You can't tell.
When did they come?
So on this Tesla, we're gonna be doing a dash wrap. Sean, we're doing a dash wrap on this one. The wood is cool, you know, it's eco-friendly, it's, you know, green, it's save the planet, it's keep Austin weird type of thing. But we're gonna be wrapping over this. We're gonna be doing a white wrap because the car is white and the client wants to do it white. So we're gonna be doing white. And that way, it's nothing too crazy because there's carbon fiber already in the center. So we don't want to do any crazy design that just takes away from that. This is what it looks like behind the dash, guys. It's very empty back here.
You know, if this was all clean and like it didn't have all like the screw holes and stuff, I kind of like how minimalist and like the step, you know? Now you're in the neighborhood.
We just got done with the wrap and it looks really cool. The goal for this little project was to make sure that whatever we decided to do for the wrap wouldn't take away from the carbon fiber. Now we did wrap this over the wood grain dash. A little bit of a wood grain texture kind of comes through, which is kind of neat if you like that. But if you don't like that, then just make sure you guys get the solid white dash before you wrap anything over it. Otherwise, you'll have the wood grain texture kind of coming through. It looks really clean, like a science lab or something. I don't know, maybe because there's a hand sanitizer right there, so it just kind of has the whole vibe. Maybe just me, I'm weird, I don't know, who cares? Anyways, it looks good. If you like the white, definitely do it. Another Tesla Model 3 finished with a few of our services. So first things first, the most obvious thing is the chrome delete wrapped in satin black. As you can see, great way to remove that chrome if you don't like that and make it a little bit sportier. Photosync 30% on all the side windows. We kept the back as is, so the back doesn't have any tint, but we did tint the front windshield in Photosync 70. Full front end is also Clearbra completely, so rock chips and scratches are a thing of the past. So if you notice, the paint is a little bit glossier than usual, and that's because of the ceramic coating that we applied. So it's gonna help with the water beading process, help it stay looking nice and clean, and also give it that awesome overall shine. Oh, we're back in again in the Rezvani Tank.
Intercom's crazy.
If you turn right on red.
Of course.
Just look at me though. If you turn right on red. Jeep squad.
Jeep
Snipe, this
squad.
ain't no Jeep. I like your hood. It's kind of like mine.
Damn, this is what I want my Jeep to look like.
Right?
He's like, when I went to the dealership, they told me the Rubicon was the top of the line.
Oh,
What's up, man?
I've never heard that one before. How's it going? I'm pretty sure he's gonna probably say no, but
What?
I mean, I'd be down. I get injured. I'm wondering, like, but what if it is? What if you?
Hey, Sean wants to know if he can try the electric door handles on the Rezvani and shock himself. He wants
Do you really want to do it? Serious?
I want to see how strong it is. Like, how strong is it?
Hold on, let me get a broom to knock them off if I need to. Have you felt them before? No, I don't want to. No. He's brave.
It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
Ah!
Oh,
When it's closed, it actually gives you a decent little, like, dude, it tingles hard. It tingles hard. I felt it up here. Yeah, it's like a nerve like type feeling. Try it. It's not bad.
Can I drop the tags?
Let me see.
FaceTime me so I can see. One, two, three.
How will that help you?
Maybe if you're moving.
You
maybe if
drift.
you're moving-
No, you're
Maybe if
drifting.
you're moving, it like
Disperses.
right?
It rolls. Why don't you just open the door since it's bulletproof and you can't roll down the window and you just. Dude, this is so tacky. So I have to pull it?
do this, girl. I can't. She volunteered to do it. I'm not gonna do it until after she does it. Do it. What, did it hurt?
She had probably the least amount of reaction out of everyone who's done it.
Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Alright, we'll see you next time.